Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros using an easy method, completely without vanilla extract. You'll be surprised how simple it is to create this classic treat with just a few basic ingredients you likely already have on hand. We'll start by gathering everything we need, including 1 cup of all-purpose flour, water, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Don't forget your piping bag and a star-shaped nozzle for that authentic churro shape. Let's get cooking. Let's craft the perfect churro dough. Combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil. Remove from heat, then quickly add 1 cup of flour, stirring until a smooth ball forms. Return to low heat, cooking for 1 to 2 minutes while stirring constantly. This process helps dry out the dough, ensuring your churros will be wonderfully crispy on the outside and tender inside. It's a simple yet vital step for achieving that ideal texture. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your dough into a piping bag with a star-shaped nozzle. Gently pipe 4 to 6-inch strips directly into the hot oil, avoiding overcrowding. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they reach a beautiful golden brown. Always exercise caution when working with hot oil to ensure safety and perfect results. Once your churros are fried to perfection, it's time for the final, delicious touch. While still warm, immediately roll them in a delightful mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This coating adds that signature sweetness and aromatic spice we all love. Serve your freshly made churros warm, perhaps with a rich chocolate dipping sauce or a caramel drizzle. This easy recipe yields approximately 12 to 15 delicious churros, perfect for sharing or enjoying. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.